In this video, I will show you how to remove blurriness from a photo 1 minute easily. See, I remove this photo blurriness. Go to this website, link below in the description. Upload your photo from here. You can change scale value, I set it as default. After upload photo, submit your photo. It takes a few seconds to remove blurriness. See, now the photo looks very good. Download the photo from here. See here the changes in photos after remove blurriness. That's it, enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.